More than 330% profits from my last analysis from UNISWAP USDT. More than 90% profits from my last analysis from CHILIZ USDT. Bitcoin, massive move incoming. Bitcoin is just below 70k and the price is compressed. A massive move is in the making. Is 80k next? Or will Bitcoin fall back to 60k or below? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, ASML Holding, DUOLINGO Incorporated, UNISWAP USDT, CHILIZ USDT, and ETHEREUM USDT. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? For the best analysis, we will recap the previous analysis of Uniswap with more than 330% profits, and we'll also recap the last analysis of CHILIZ with more than 90% profits. For now, I will kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, slightly more green than red numbers. We have some big green numbers like Pepe 68.9 up, Pendle 41% up, Uniswap 47.5, Lido DAO 52.8, Athena up 25, Duck with Head 17.8, Ondo 34%, Bonk is up 26.5, Ethereum in the top gainers 23% up, and some red numbers, minus 16 for Arweave, Phantom minus 8, Render minus 4.3, Internet Computer minus 5.9, and from the weekly I will change to the daily. The daily gainers are CHILIZ up 12%, Core is up 6.4, Kes is up 4.7, Uniswap 5.2, and the red numbers of today are Bonk 4.3, EMX minus 4.5, Solana minus 3.5, Ajax minus 4, and more. And from here I will go to CoinMarketCap. We have a market cap of 2.57 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 52.63 billion. And the current fear and greed index is 65, which indicates greed. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Dogecoin, Toncoin, and Cardano. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. We have a lot of red this week, so but also few green ones like Nvidia went up 15.13, Microsoft went up 2.37, Taiwan Semiconductor went up 5.49, Qualcomm 8.51, and the red numbers: Home Depot minus 5.55, Alibaba minus 8.22, Exxon Mobil minus 5.2, and more. And from here I will go to Bitcoin. Currently at the weekly chart, the current price is just below 70k, is 69.100. We have a green candle so far, about 12.5 hours to close today's candle. We are arriving the resistance of the previous high here on the weekly. We're also at the top of the box, and I will change to the daily. On the daily, what do we see? We see a nice upwards momentum with high, higher low, higher high, and another higher low. So it needs to decide now if will it continue to go up or will it go down. I will show last week's scenarios. So you could have been in the long from last week or the week before. When was it? Yeah, the week before, and then you're already in profit about 16%, so increase your stop loss, take profits, and you could have been in the short as well. The entry here at 71,285, and then you're also in profit more than 6%, so take profits, increase your stop loss. Okay, so it's needs to decide where it will go. At the resistance point here, 69,400, the price is getting compressed. Okay, so this scenario is still in play. The entry here at 65,510, and if it fall through support, I'll remove this one. Then the entry here, then I will play the start of the impulse here, the 61,357, trying to go up from there. This one is also still in play, the play of 55,790, and if it fall through support there, the next entry at 52,100. And I will add one scenario. If it's continued to go up, let's say test around 80,000, pullback with entry around 71,000, aiming for higher. So we have 5 possible scenarios for Bitcoin in the coming days, and from Bitcoin I will go to ASML holding, currently at the monthly. Nice, I will add some levels. And from the monthly I will change to the weekly. Also at the weekly resistance, $960. Here was the drop off, 980. It tested the previous all-time high. Now it needs to decide, will it print a new all-time high or will it test lower? Okay, I will add some scenarios. If it managed to gain, print a new all-time high, pullback with entry at 939, aiming for higher levels. If it's keep rejecting, then a test between 724 and 754, aiming to go higher. And if it fall through support here, then the next entry around 649, trying to go up from there. So 3 possible scenarios for ASML, and from ASML I will go to DUOLINGO, currently at the monthly, big red candle. I'll add some levels. Previous highs tested. Okay, I will change to the weekly. So this was the previous all-time high. It tested back with the level of 175, tried to go up, tested back again, tried to go up, but didn't manage to print a weekly gain here. Now it's back to the start of the impulse. Okay, I'll add some scenarios. If it doesn't hold support here, then the next entry, I will play a little defensive here. The entry of 135.87, trying to go up from there. And if it doesn't hold support at 135, I will go for the 107, trying to go up from there. And if it managed to go up, then I would like to see a new all-time high. Else we have another rejection here. So I would like to see the all-time high, and then either the aggressive play, the entry of 238, or the more defensive play here at 200. But if it goes higher, then I would like to see continuation. So the entry of 238, that were the previous tops, can function as support. So 3 possible scenarios for Duolingo, and from Duolingo I will go to Uniswap. I've charted this one somewhere in June 2023. I will post a link in the description. And as you can see, the entry of this scenario with the entry of $3.94 got filled. And from here, the price went up. About 330% profits. That's nice. Congratulations. Take some profits, increase your stop loss. Yeah. Nice. I will delete this and I will start with a clean chart for now. I will start at the weekly. Yeah, so far it rejected the previous all-time high areas. This here was the all-time high area, and these are the lows. And now trying to break again. Let's see what we can do. Okay, price arrived at the weekly drop off of 1187. I will change to the daily. I would like to see a daily gain above 1162 here, and perhaps also a gain above 1295. Okay. I'll add some scenarios. If it's keep rejecting here, then the entry at $8.10, trying to go up from there. If it managed to gain the 1162 or higher, at least the drop off here, and potentially also this drop off of 12.95, maybe a test of $14.94, then the pullback with the entry between 1162 and 1187, trying to break the 1494. And I will add another. If it managed to break through and print a new higher high, and let's say a test of $18.40, then pullback with entry at $12.95, aiming for higher. So 3 possible scenarios for Uniswap, and from Uniswap I will go to CHILIZ. I've charted this one also somewhere in June 2023, and as you can see, this one just got front rounded, the entry of 5 cents, just above 5 cents. It went as low as 5.3 cents. So if you entered more aggressive, you could have been in since the start of the whole impulse here, and then you would have had more than 200% profits. But else, this one played out as well later. Over here, here is the gain of the whole area, the pullback with the entry of 8 cents, 8.7 cents, and then you could have had more than 90% profits. So yeah, for now I would like to start with a clean chart as well. I'll post a link in the description so you can watch the previous analysis if you like, and I will start at the weekly. Okay, also at the resistance point between 13.8 cents and 15.4, which was the drop off, weekly drop off to the low here, to the start of the impulse of 9.7 cents. So it's need to decide, will it break, yes or no. I will change to the daily. Okay. I'll add some scenarios. If it's keep rejecting, then I would play either the entry at 7.5 cents, but it's been tested here already a little bit. Else, if you would want to be more defensive, then the entry at 6 cents here. Maybe that's a better option. And if it's managed to break the 15.7 cents, and let's say a test of 18 cents, then the pullback here and the entry of 13.8, aiming to break the 18 cents. And else, if it's rejecting here around 15.7 cents, then this one is a little high risk, but still playable. The entry at 12.8, trying to break the 16 cents. So 4 possible scenarios for CHILIZ USDT. And from CHILIZ, I'll go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly. About just more than 12 hours to close today's candle. We do have a huge green candle so far. It's arriving the previous high, also the resistance. And the last resistance here between 4,000 and 4,800, which was the previous all-time high. Okay, I will show last week's scenarios. And I will change to the daily. Okay, these two are not in play anymore. I will change to the 4-hour. I want to know who played this one. I didn't play this one. This was the start of the impulse, the 3058. If you entered here, then you could have had 29% profits. Here was the 4-hour gain of the previous low here. But still it was a rejection. That's why I didn't play. I would like to see a test here and then the pullback. So that's why I didn't enter. I'll go back to the daily. Tested way more aggressive. Okay, I'll add some scenarios for the coming days. Okay, if it's keep rejecting, then the entry here around 3,250, trying to go up from there. And if it doesn't hold support there, then the entry at 3,058, trying to go up from there. And else, I would like to see, let's say, a test around 4,400, pullback with an entry just below 4,000, around 3,886, and then aiming for the all-time high. So 3 possible scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday and see you in the next one. Cheers!